Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use CoinGecko for market analysis, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the CoinGecko homepage. Once on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Look for the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the name or symbol of the cryptocurrency you're interested in. After you enter the name, select the correct coin from the drop-down suggestions. This will take you to the specific coins page. Here, you'll see various statistics, including the current price, market cap, and trading volume. Scroll down to view the price chart for historical performance. To analyze trends, adjust the time frame on the price chart to your preference. You can select from options like 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or 1 year. Below the chart, you'll find detailed information on market data. This includes data on liquidity, market supply, and the coin's rank. Next, look at the market section for a list of exchanges where the coin is traded. This section provides insights into trading pairs and volume across different exchanges. You can also explore additional metrics like the coin's all-time highs and lows. Further down, you'll see the community section. This area shows social media engagement and community metrics. Pay attention to the sentiment expressed by the community regarding the coin. Next, navigate to the developers section to understand the coin's progress. This section offers insights into GitHub activity and upcoming updates. It's essential to gauge developer engagement for long-term viability. To compare multiple coins, return to the homepage, select coins to access a list of all listed cryptocurrencies. You can use filters to narrow down your search based on various criteria. Additionally, explore the DeFi and NFT sections for trends in those specific markets. CoinGecko also offers a news section for recent updates about the cryptocurrency market. Reading through the news can provide context for price movements and trends. For advanced analysis, utilize the portfolio feature to track your investments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.